I was actually pleasantly surprised because Tina and I have a very similar niche in working with storytelling, and for me, the surprise was how there's multiple different ways of telling stories, but getting into that true, authentic connection piece is what actually makes the difference in the delivery and the connection that you make with your potential clients or your audience. And the way Tina does it is very different than any other training that I've had in the past with how to give a good talk. So the workshop, I was interested in learning, like I said, about the different ways of storytelling, because there's so many programs out there that teach you how to tell a story, but not from the soul. And my business is the soul-led method in what I do, and just Tina teaching in this workshop about the soul story. That's what really made me say yes to coming to be here today. Oh, there's just one. There's so many. The mindset shift that I'm walking away from today is actually how I go about my business, in being less structure and strategy, although that's part of it, but more focused on that soul, the connection with the people I choose to work with, and giving them options for what they need versus what I want them to need. Well, because it gets you thinking outside of the box, and I'm one who really, I run the Unicorn Business Mastermind, and I love different things, hence why the unicorn. This actually runs different, and it gets you thinking. It got me thinking different ways, it just goes against the norm. It's a unique, when in sales we call it a unique selling proposition. It's a unique sales proposition without it being salesy.